Uh, Hi guys. This is the second time I've had to record this just due to errors on my tablet. Just want to do a quick vlog, if you like, um, regarding this machine that I'm working on, the Wacom Cintiq Companion Generation 1. Um, I've been having a similar problem to what many users have been experiencing with the charging port, and the machine not being able to charge when it's plugged in on the taskbar down below. On, you will find where the battery indicator is showing. When it's plugged in, it will say plugged in, not charging. And I've seen numerous accounts online um, pretty much experiencing the same thing. And excuse me, I feel it's just time. Like something needs to be done about it. Like Wacom they can't get away with selling faulty products like this. In Australia, where I am, we have the ACCC, and they handle consumer complaints, and I'm pretty sure this sort of thing is covered under Australian consumer law. I've personally tried contacting Wacom myself, but because my Wacom is out of warranty at the moment, as I purchased it 4 years ago before July 2014. It's basically not covered, and I'll have to pay up $900 or whatever it is to get it repaired. But I don't feel that is that should happen at all. I feel that we should be able to get a full repair without a wipe of software and all the files that are on your computer, free of charge. So just to clarify, guys, it's what's going on in here is when you plug this in over time, there's a little box in there where the little metal disc or plate on the end of it will come loose, and therefore the little pin in there that goes inside this attachment is going to yeah, it will come out. And I've seen somebody else online who has a pin actually stuck in this plug, and yeah, there's another video going around where a guy has found a fix himself, where he takes the back plate off here and he'll use solder and he'll solder this up. He'll solder the points in there, the magnetic points or whatever they are. But I'm not prepared to go down that path yet. But yeah, guys, I just feel like that's one person speaking by himself is not going to be enough. But there's a lot of people who are very shy, especially consumers who buy these things. They're not really extroverted. They won't take action as an individual. So I think what we need to do is just get together and work something out. Maybe draw up a petition or something like that. Because I've seen big companies like this come down, and by rights, you and we have a right to a recompense for this sort of thing. It's injustice, in my opinion. So yeah, leave a comment below and get in touch with me, and we'll, if we get enough voices, we can sort something out. But I would like to, yeah, get justice for this, because they are very expensive machines, and the fact that their little unit is built in the Philippines from what I saw from the soldering video here on YouTube. That's just so that they can cut their costs. It's criminal behaviour, really, like selling faulty products. And yeah, excuse me. Yeah, guys. Yeah, I'm glad I had enough battery to get this video out. So take care, guys, and yeah, leave me comments below. Thanks.